Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine, very good. So you all are feeling energized as it's a fresh morning? Feeling fresh? Great. So now it's time to begin with our classes and this is the first period. So can you tell me what is the day today? Yes class, what is the day today? So today is Thursday. What is the day? Today is Thursday. And on Thursday, our first period is English period. Yes. And in English, till now, we have been learning about different alphabets. Isn't it? हमने बहुत सारे alphabets किए. Sleeping line alphabets, standing line alphabets, then slanting line alphabets, and now we are doing the alphabets that have some curves in them. You remember all these patterns? Sleeping line, standing line, then different curves. You remember them? Great. So now it's time to begin with our today's letter. So can anyone tell me which letter we have learnt in the previous class? Yes, all of you check which letter you have learnt in your previous class. We have learnt about B, ball, B, bat. So the sound is B and the letter is B. So in our previous class we have completed alphabet B. So today what alphabet we are going to study? We are going to learn about alphabet D. Sound of this alphabet, objects or pictures related to this alphabet is what we are going to learn today. Clear all? So you all are prepared to begin with the class? You can keep your books and notebooks closed. No need to open them. First ma'am is going to teach you. आपको बस सुनना है. What ma'am is speaking. आपको वो ध्यान से सुनना है. मैम आपको क्या बता रही है. And after that, मैम बाद में बताती है ना what work you have to do. So the work we will discuss later. Let us first discuss about some objects and pictures related to alphabet D. और जब आप मेरे को जब आप उन पिक्चर्स के बारे में मुझे बताओगे तो आप खुद बताओगे what is the sound. So what do you have to do? You have to first listen, then you will speak. Clear? पहले आपको ध्यान से सुनना है जो मैम बोल रही है, फिर आपको खुद से बोलना है और जब आप बोल रहे हो तो आपको ध्यान लगा के बोलना है कि which sound is coming, कौन सी साउंड आपके मुंह से आ रही है बाहर. सी जब हम बोलते हैं तो हमें अपनी आवाज सुनाई देती है. We all can listen what we are saying. जैसे मैम बोल रही है तो आप सुन रहे हो, your ears can listen. वैसे ही जब आप खुद बोलते हो तो भी आप अपनी आवाज सुन पाते हो. So you have to listen your own sound. आपको अपनी खुद की आवाज सुननी है और मुझे बताना है कि कौन सा साउंड है जो अल्फाबेट डी के लिए करेक्ट है. Clear? So let's begin. So I have drawn 3 pictures here on board. Can you identify them? What are these 3 pictures related to alphabet D? बताइए मैम को जल्दी से. Okay, what is this? सी अगर आप अपने रूम में देखोगे तो रूम में जहां से हम एंटर करते हैं वहां पे ये होगा. हाउस में जहां से हम एंटर करते हैं वहां पे आपको मिलेगा. यू विल फाइंड इट ऑन ईच एंड एवरी एंट्री. जहां से हम घुसते हैं या बाहर आते हैं, आपके क्लासरूम में, आपके बेडरूम में, आपके ड्राइंग रूम में, आपके वॉशरूम में, और यू कैन से आपका जो हाउस का मेन, व्हाट इज दैट? Door. Yes, what is this? It's a door. And what is the meaning of door? The meaning of door is दरवाजा, है ना? आपने देखा है ना, हर रूम का एक डोर होता है जिसको हम क्लोज कर सकते हैं, हम ओपन कर सकते हैं. So what is that? That is called door. So what we are going to write here? I am going to write the name here, door. Clear? So how I'll write? See. So which letter I have written first? बताइए मैम ने first कौन सा letter लिखा है? D. Yes. So door. Just erase once. Sorry. So we'll write it in cursive only. Door. Clear? So one is door. Now moving to the next picture. Can you tell me what picture is this? Yes class. Can you please tell me what picture is this? It's a quack quack. करती है इसकी आवाज. ये अपनी आवाज कैसे निकालती है? क्वाक 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 क्वाक. कुछ याद आया? Duck. Yes. So what is this? It's a duck. Duck. Now, what is this? If you remember in our phonic rhyme also, we say about this. Dimpy the drum says, da da da. Here comes the sound. आपको याद आया sound? फोनिक राइम में मैम ने आपको बोला था ना, हर अल्फाबेट की साउंड मिली हुई है हमें. सो दिस इज डिम्पी द ड्रम. दिस इज ड्रम, है ना? व्हाट इज दिस? ड्रम. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, आई विल राइट द नेम हियर. सो ड्रम. नाउ क्लास, व्हेन वी आर सेइंग डोर, डक, ड्रम, सी ड ड ड. The door, the duck, the drum. जब हमने इन अल्फाबेट्स का नाम जब हमने इन पिक्चर्स का नाम बोला, तो जो हमने फर्स्ट साउंड बोली, व्हाट वाज दैट फर्स्ट साउंड? दैट फर्स्ट साउंड इज द, है ना? द डोर, द डक, द ड्रम. देन वी हैव द डॉग. सी अगेन, the dog. We have dog from alphabet D. Again, when we are saying the dog, so what is the sound coming? The. Starting sound क्या है? We call it beginning sound. जो starting में sound आती है, what we call that? Beginning sound. Begin मतलब start होना, तो beginning sound क्या है? The. The dog, the door, the duck, the drum. Then we have the donkey. So we can write that. Then, okay, when we have some fever, cough and cold, किसके पास जाते हैं? Medicines लेने हम किसके पास जाते हैं? The doctor. Yes. So we have again one more name with the. That is doctor. So class, whenever we are saying anything related to alphabet D, जिसमें हम alphabet D को beginning sound में बोल रहे हैं, सबसे पहला alphabet जो है वो D है. So what sound is coming out? The sound is coming the. The door, the dog, the donkey, the doctor, the duck, the drum. Then we have the doll. Yes, we have doll also. So you all love to play with doll. The doll. Again, when we are saying this word doll, what sound is coming? The sound. Which sound is coming? The. Then anything else we have with alphabet D? बताइए. Some of us call, what you call to your father? पापा बोलते हैं. और क्या बोलते हैं? Some of us also called him dad, है ना? हम बोलते हैं ना dad. So that dad is also with D sound. When we write this on board, how we are going to write? See, dad. So again this D sound is coming. Clear? Then when you have to throw anything, जब आपको अपना कूड़ा थ्रो करना होता है, something which is rubbish, जो आपके यूज का नहीं है, so where you throw that? Where you throw that? In dustbin. Again, the dustbin. So we have one more word, that is dustbin. Clear? So this is dustbin. Again, D is starting. The starting sound is D. So we write it separately. Dust is alag and dustbin. Clear everyone? So what I want to tell you is the sound of alphabet D is D. Clear all? So let us revise them. D, door, dog, donkey, डॉक्टर। सी जब हम जो भी वर्ड बोल रहे हैं कौन सी साउंड आ रही है, रिपीटेडली आई एम स्ट्रेसिंग ऑन द साउंड, क्योंकि बेटा आपको साउंड का ध्यान रखना है। D फॉर डॉग, D फॉर डोंकी नहीं, ड डॉग, ड डोंकी, ड ड्रम, ड डक। सो यू हैव टू रेफर इट विद द साउंड, आपको उसकी साउंड से रेफर करना है, नॉट लाइक दिस D फॉर ड्रम, D फॉर डॉग, नो, ड ड्रम, ड डॉग, because these sounds are going to help you in your next class also. Is that clear? Now moving to the formation of alphabet D. Let's see how we are going to do the formation of this alphabet. Clear? So now I am writing it. So how to do that? First we are going to draw one standing line. See, red line पे एक point लेके we'll draw one straight standing line. Done. We have drawn a standing line. So can you see this standing line? Clear all? अब हमें क्या करना है? From that same point जहाँ से standing line begin की थी, we'll draw one semicircle like this, half circle. ठीक है? एक कर्व बनाएंगे जो पूरा वहाँ से टच होके जहाँ पे standing line stop हुई थी वहाँ पे टच करना है. So see again. First we'll make a standing line. Clear? And after that we'll do it like this. First what we'll do, we'll make a standing line and after that we'll do it like this. So don't go beyond the blue line. See ma'am se ho gaya hai, so we'll erase it and we'll do it again like this. Is that clear to all? One standing line and then one semicircle like this. Is that clear? Now moving towards our today's work in the book. So today you are going to do work on page number 14 and 15. So I'll write that here. Book page number. So book page number 14 and 15. This is your today's class work. Clear everyone? What is this? These two pages are to be done as your today's classwork. And your homework is to practice alphabet D in your notebook. And with D, we are also going to practice 4 previous alphabets as we are doing it regularly. So let's see how we are going to do our notebook work today. Okay class? So class, now let's see how we are going to do our today's work. So today we are going to write date first, that is 27th August 2020, and this is our homework. So we'll write HW. So which alphabet we have learnt? Alphabet D. So as I told you, one standing line and like this you have to join it. So we are going to draw a picture of Dimpy the drum. So like this. Then 2 standing line and again you will join it like this. Then we'll draw 2 sticks and then 1 zigzag line like this. Clear? So this is our drum and we'll write that here. Drum. Done. Now see how you are going to write this alphabet. So first is to draw one standing line and then join it with a semicircle, or you can say a curve line like this. और आपको क्या करना है, सी यहाँ से हमने स्टैंडिंग लाइन स्टार्ट करी है, यहीं से you will start your curve like this. Is that clear to all class? So one standing line and a curve like this. One standing line and a curve like this. This is how we are going to do our today's alphabet D. And class, what is the sound of D? D says D. Now moving to the practice alphabets, as I told you, we are going to do regular practice also. So C, Z, O, Q. These are the 4 alphabets that we are going to practice today. So again we are going to write today's date, 27th August 2020, and homework here. Clear all? Now how to write C? Like this. Then Z like this. O and Q. Understood, class? See, again I am telling you. D, you all know, D says D. That is the alphabet which we have learned today. And the practice alphabets are C. The sound is K. K cat, K cake. Then Z. The sound is Z. Z zebra. Z zip. O. The sound is O. O orange. O ostrich. Then we have Q. The sound is Qu. Q. The sound is Qu. Qu queen. Qu quill. Qu quilt. Understood that? So class, I hope that you have understood everything related to today's alphabet. Alphabet D, the sound is D, 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 door, D, D, dog, D, D, donkey, D, D, doctor, D, D, doll, D, D, dad. So a lot of things we have. D, duck, D, drum. Is that clear to all? Now repeatedly I am telling you your work as classwork to be done on page number 14-15 and homework as I have shown you in notebook. A part of that, please don't forget to revise your phonic rhyme every day. That rhyme needs to be done every day. आपको उसको daily revise करना है ताकि आपको हर alphabet की sound thorough हो जाए, वो अच्छे से learn हो जाए. Is that clear to all of you? And don't forget to share your work in Google Classroom. Okay, so bye for now. Meet you soon with a new alphabet and a new sound. Bye all. Take care and get ready for the next class.